Hey friends, if you wish to know more about the MSConfig or system configuration utility on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through it. So the best way is to search for it and open system configuration. Then we have options here and I'll explain each and every one of them. So the first option is about this general startup selection. Okay, do you want to load all drivers at the startup? Do you wish to omit a few drivers, like let's say that I want to selectively start up the device, and do you wish for this diagnostic startup in which it will only load the basic drivers and services only? The next one is about boot, and this is where you can use safe mode. I mean, boot into the safe mode, either into network or the minimal drivers and so on. So this is also an excellent option. Next one is services. Now we often discuss clean boot, right? This is how we perform a clean boot on our system. Select hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply and OK. Basically, this is the section from where you can manage the services on your system. You can disable them, you can enable them, but they will apply when you reboot the system. After this, there is a startup tab, but this startup tab has been moved to the task manager. Okay, so if you wish to enable and disable startup items, for example, if I wish to disable it, right click on this in the task manager and select disable. This is not active in the system configuration menu any longer. And lastly, we have tools which can be accessed from here. These are the same tools that can be accessed from other locations, but we can check their properties here. Okay, for example, the performance monitor, I can also click on launch to launch the performance monitor, but I can also search for it in the search bar. So basically I use system configuration for two main reasons. One is clean boot and other one is booting into the safe mode. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.